Hello, Mr. Leopoldsberger. Your watch is here, and I wanted to look at it. Your lovely, lovely golden tuna. O20. That's a nice serial number. 020060. I like it. Your loom is in good condition. A little bit of darkening right around the loom there, but that's very, very minor. You got a little bit of dirt on that loom spot right there. So you got it's a scratch on the dial, but there's a little dark spot there. So I've got a few things that'll need to be cleaned up. Aligned perfectly. Why did it just stop? I didn't pull the crown. I can feel the setting lever with the wing, the setting lever with wheel is slipping. I can feel the gear slipping inside. Yeah, look at that. Do you see how much the hand stack is moving? Your center wheel port is pretty worn too. If you watch, I mean, it's really playing around. Look at that move. Okay, you can see the hands shifting back and forth like this. It was running and now it's not. Okay, let's see, and let's back this up to the 18th. Come on. It was definitely running. I don't know what the issue is here. Okay, there's something, it's set wrong inside. There's something wrong with the keyless works. It should not stop hacking when I just unscrewed a crown. That shouldn't happen. There's nothing so wrong in there that I can't fix it, but there's something is clearly up. That's really worn. Somebody made sure that this watch had its batteries changed, but so it ran for a long time. That's the only way that this kind of thing can happen. It just happens over time. But something is up with your keyless works. Crown screws down all the way as it should. Screw heads. It was a little worked up, nothing serious. Nothing serious. These are such great watches. Well, it's looking to me like we're going to need to service it. There's something up with your keyless works. Probably your setting lever with wheel is probably floppy. I might need to stake it back together or replace it. I mean, I have replacement ones. Why not use it? I am going to have to jewel the port. The center wheel is it's like the transmission thing you have the main plate of the movement. Imagine like a coin, like a round coin. And the movement part is underneath the coin. And the hands and the calendar are on top of the coin. You get power from the underside of the coin to the upper side of the coin. With the center wheel, it goes through the middle of it. And then it communicates power to the minute wheel and everything else here in the calendar. So that hole, though, widens up over time on these because it's not jeweled. So it needs to be jeweled so that this doesn't behave the way it's been behaving. I'm not sure what's up with the hacking lever, but I will figure that out. There's only There's only so many things it can be. So it's a great candidate. We just need to do the work and then we're done. You let me know. Thank you.